This is my puggy, Bosco. Bosco.
He is so cute.
Hello.
We should put a mustache.
Who wants to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside?
We should put a mustache on Bosco.
Ow, ow, ow!
Come here, Bosco.
You can't tell because his face is black. He'll try to eat it, Owen. Bosco!
Oh, he got to itch himself. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. It's right.
You need a ball.
There it is. Buffalo.
Cookie! Cookie!
Oh.
Bosco! Bosco, I got a cookie!
Mustaches soon.
Come on, Bosco.
Finding some Doritos.
Cookie. Cookie, cookie. Sit. Good boy. Say it. Bosco, say I love you. What'd you say? Say it again. Say I love you. Shut up, Zen. I can't hear Bosco. I love you. Say it. I love you. I love you. Woo, 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 woo. I love you. Good boy.
Get that off! I don't want to be on the internet, and it better not be on Facebook. I swear to God, you better not put me on Facebook.
Can you pixel her